pesado, pero buena gente. Claro, vio. Hola.
Bolívar, about Bolívar.
This is all about Bolivar.
About Bolívar.
Right.
Él extrae consignas políticas de las paredes de
He made
Venezuela.
some extractions from the walls in Peru. So all the political speech that he sees on the walls, he just pick up with a kind of technique. He used a special technique to take all the full piece of political art, to say street art. If you can see on the back of the...
Oh wow.
Yeah. So,
Semi-transparent.
yes.
Dile que se complementa con esas impresoras térmicas que con un software buscan información sobre Bolívar
¿Y qué quiere contar? ¿Y qué quiere contar con la máquina y con el con las dos cosas?
No, quiere contar las noticias y el desfase que hay entre lo global y lo local.
Okay, so basically, the contrast between the local speech, which is the political speech we see in the world, plus the digital, to say somehow, that is dropping all the time information. So around the world, I mean, it's dropping fake news, everything, all news, but we don't see the important message that the people from the own lands are saying.
Y luego también quiere mostrar esas realidades tan delicadas y tan críticas de Latinoamérica. Porque, por ejemplo, en Perú lleva
and
10
corrupt.
años con 7 presidentes y están casi todos en la cárcel.
Yeah, he's saying that he also wants to expose the situation in Peru because his 7 presidents he's been in the last, I don't know, 20, 30 years, all of them end in prison. So all of them with corruption, with all this kind of
Es un registro antropológico, sociológico de la política, porque Latinoamérica siempre utiliza como expresión las consignas sobre paredes, ¿no?
Yeah, so South America always try to express themselves always through the walls and through the messages you find in Mexico, Colombia, all of the areas in South America are, for example, if I got a problem with love, I go to the wall and I put love is a bastard. My heart is broken, but it's there on the wall.
Right.
Sobre todo su política.
So this is like the traces.
Yes, if you see here, what is basically speaking,
Están en español.
all of them are different, but for information about resources, petrol, or any other diamonds or any other resources that people from outside go and pick up from there.
Y aquí están
Very cool.
los ojos de Chávez. Voy a echarle.
And then Kay.
Esos son los ojos de Chávez.
They are Chávez. Chávez eyes. Eyes of Chávez are these ones.
Cuando él murió,
When he
era
dies?
todo Venezuela, Caracas de los
Okay,
ojos.
when Chávez dies in Venezuela, all Caracas was full of this graffiti, which is the eyes of him. And also the same technique than in the other. If you can follow me, and you're gonna see that he made the extractions on the wall. Check all of it.
Oh wow.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Wow. Beautiful.
It's a nice piece.
Yes. Very nice. Wow.
Yeah, go.
Ven, Fer.
Sí.
Esta es daughter of
Wow.
Fujimori.
Oh, the daughter. She ran, right?
Daughter. Keiko Fujimori, and tiene, o sea, es graffiti estatal and graffiti no estatal con
Rata.
y
Rata means rat.
Rat.
to work in.
Wow, but this is a nice piece, eh?
Beautiful piece. Which artist? Same artist?
Sí,
Yes,
todo,
Martinat.
todo.
Martinat is a
Okay.
Peruvian guy.
All projects the same artist.
And this piece too.
Sí, sí.
And this means El Odio.
This es Tijuana,
The
México.
hate, the hate.
The hate.
Tijuana.
Wow.
Tijuana, México.
Very powerful.
Super powerful, yeah.
Very powerful.
Sí, American artist. live in New York.
The name of the artist?
Sí, Daniel
Uh huh.
Bocato.
Boccaccio. Okay.